Hi everyone, welcome back again to another housing vlog. To ensure you don't miss any new videos when we upload them, we encourage those who are new to our channel to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Videos are regularly posted on our channel, so stay subscribed. So in today's video, I have this 3 BHK apartment for sale in Bengaluru. Overall, the entire flat is spread across 1455 square feet of built up area and has got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2 balconies. The apartment is located on the 5th floor and is facing north direction. This home invites comfort with its good ventilation and abundance of natural light. With less than a year on the property, this apartment can be purchased through one of the investors. The building of the property is of high quality and is under leasehold ownership. The flat is located in a gated community and features amenities like lifts, intercom facility, security and fire alarm, maintenance staff, security personnel, visitor parking, swimming pool, gymnasium, clubhouse and rainwater harvesting, pipe gas, water storage, waste disposal and park. So folks, this lovely 3-bedroom apartment is located towards Gunjur village in east part of Bengaluru. And the asking price for this flat is 1 crore 32 lakhs, slightly negotiable. That's it folks from this video. Hope you all found it interesting and useful. Meet you all in the next one.